Dear students, we were covering the poem The Patriot, an Old Story by Robert Browning. We had already covered 4 stanzas of this poem, and before we move on to the 5th one, let us look back quickly at the previous 4 stanzas. In the first stanza, we saw how the countrymen are welcoming him vigorously. Maybe he has won a war, probably he has come back from uh, some battlefield or something, and they are all giving him a welcome. In the second stanza, we see how people are merrymaking, they are ringing bells, and this patriot, he says that mere noise repels, means mere noise does not please me, and but give me your son from yonder skies. They had answered, and afterward, what else? Means he was fool enough to try to achieve beyond his limit. He tried to please everyone, and he tried to do more than he could to please people, and they had answered, and afterwards, what else? What more can you do for me? So this shows that people's expectations from us never end. In the third stanza, we saw sadly the situation has changed. Okay, and no, in this stanza he talks about leaping at the sun, means again he is saying that he has tried to do impossible. But in this stanza we see that there has been a tremendous difference in attitude of people. Earlier they were really welcoming towards him, they were really full of praise for him, but now the situation has changed. Okay, and in the fourth stanza we see what has happened, how the situation has changed. Now we see him as a victim. People do not consider him a hero, they are not welcoming him anymore. In fact, he is now a criminal. We don't know what crime he has committed, we do not know what wrong he has done, but we surely know that no one is standing on the rooftops to welcome him, to ring bells for him. There are some people on the rooftops, but they are not there for him. They are just old, palsied, means diseased people, बीमार लोग हैं. They are not for them, they are not for him. In fact, people have gone to the Shambles Gate, जहाँ पे उसको execute किया जाएगा. He will be killed. Now that's why he is a criminal now. So this is where we stopped. Let us continue from the 5th stanza. I go in the rain, and more than needs, a rope cuts both my wrists behind, and I think by the feel my forehead bleeds, for they fling, whoever has a mind, stones at me for my years' misdeeds. I go in the rain, and more than needs. So this is the present scene. Earlier he was talking about the scenes from from 1 year before, and now this present scenario is he's walking in the rain. More than needs means he's quite unnecessarily walking, and how is he? His wrists are tied down behind him, पीछे की तरफ उसकी बाजुओं को बांधा हुआ है, and the rope is cutting him. Basically he is so tightly the rope is really tight, and it is cutting his wrists. And I think by the feel my forehead bleeds, I can also feel that my forehead is also bleeding. For they fling, why is the forehead bleeding? Because whoever has mind, means these people, all the people who are here, they are pelting stones at him, they are throwing stone at him. Flinging means, fling का भी मतलब है throw करना, फेंकना. So they are pelting stones for my years misdeeds. Misdeeds means basically wrong actions. Now we don't know if he has made wrong actions or he is sarcastically saying कि मैंने that I have done so much. जैसे वो कहता है ना, I leaped at the sun, means I tried to do impossible. I tried to please these people. No work was left that a man could do and I didn't. I did everything to please them. So after that, अभी 1 साल में ऐसा क्या हो गया? We don't know. तो either he is being sarcastic that मेरे अच्छे deeds का ये नतीजा मिल रहा है मुझे, ये रीप कर रहा हूँ मैं हार्वेस्ट, ये रिवॉर्ड मिल रहा है मुझे, जैसे कि उसने 3rd स्टैंजा में बोला था, या फिर he has done something wrong. Okay, but whatever it is, he is saying that he's being hit by people. Basically, what the tone of the poem says tells is that he is regretting his year's deeds. Whatever he had done 1 year ago, those good memories have been erased by this year. कुछ भी हुआ इस साल में, जो भी हुआ उससे लोग सब भूल गए जो उसने 1 साल पहले किया था, and how they warmly welcomed him. Thus I entered and thus I go. In triumphs, people have dropped down dead. Paid by the world, what dost thou owe? Me? God might question. Now instead, this God shall repay. I am safer so. Thus I entered, thus I go. In triumphs, people have dropped down dead. Triumph होती है जीत, victory, ठीक है, means glory time, your glorious time. So he says, thus I entered, thus I go. In triumphs, people have dropped down dead. So yes, there was a time when I was glorious, when I was victorious, I was triumphant. Thus I go. But this is my plight now. Now he is talking about his present plight. क्या उसका present pathetic situation है. People have dropped down dead. Paid by the world. What does thou owe? क्या ले जाएंगे हम इस दुनिया से? What do we get? Me? God might question. Now instead means ये लाइन्स में वो बात कर रहा है ऑप्टिमिज्म की बेटा. जैसे कि पोएम की बिगिनिंग में मैंने आपको बताया था दैट दिस इज़ द फिलॉसफी ऑफ रॉबर्ट ब्राउनिंग. इन दिस पोएम अगर हम ये 6 स्टैंजा को निकाल दें तो हमने देखा है कि किस तरह से उसके गुड डीड्स का उसको रिवॉर्ड क्या मिलता है. ही इज़ पनिश, ही इज़ किल्ड बाय पीपल. So we have seen many such examples in the history. Good leaders, good thinkers are often hurt by this world. Okay, so he did not get justice for his good deeds. He did not get justice for whatever victory he had achieved. But now in the last stanza he says, this is my plight now. Thus I entered, thus I go. So this is what it is. Now he says, what do thou owe me? क्या मिला मुझे? What did I get after doing all this? God might question. Now instead, it's God shall repay. I am safer so. जैसे कि मैंने बोला था that Robert Browning believes in afterlife and he also believes in next birth. So he says whatever has happened to me in this life, yes, I have not been served justice, but he says he's now thinking about his fate and he's saying that God might question, but he says that God only will repay me. अगर मेरे साथ गॉड ने ये किया है तो गॉड ही मुझे रीपे करेंगे. मीन्स नाउ ही इज़ टॉकिंग अबाउट आफ्टर लाइफ दैट ओके आई डिड नॉट गेट all the happiness in this world, now I'll get this happiness in the next world. So that is why I am safer so. मतलब I have nothing to worry about. Beta, there are many other poems by Robert Browning in which he talks about similar positive things. There is a poem by him, Last Ride Together. In that poem, the poet basically proposes a girl, but that girl rejects him. Okay, and she rejects his love. Obviously he feels really sad, but what does he do? He asks for a last ride with her, he says. And then throughout that poem, पूरी पोएम में वो अपने आप को कंसोल कर रहा है और अपने आप को कह रहा है कि चलो कोई बात नहीं, if I could not get her love, at least I am her friend and I am getting this last ride with her. And then he talks about next world, next birth, and he says certainly I will get her love in my next birth. तो जो उसको इस जन्म में नहीं मिला, जो हमें इस जन्म में नहीं मिला, वो हमें नेक्स्ट लाइफ में मिलेगा. सो वट एवर वी गेट इन दिस वर्ल्ड, जो भी हमें इस लाइफ में मिला, वी शुड बी थैंकफुल फॉर दैट, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली वी आर सेफ. हमें नेक्स्ट वर्ल्ड में तो बाकी चीज़ें मिल ही जाएंगी. सो दैट इज़ वॉट Robert Browning firmly believed in. So the similar belief is shown in this poem as well, and he says that okay, I was not served justice in this world, in this life, but God will repay me. Definitely God will reward me, and I will get my justice, I will get my happiness in the next life. So that is why I am safe. So basically, in the end, he is talking about hope of getting reward by God in the next life, and basically this treatment by people, he says this treatment, this bad treatment by people is a blessing in disguise. ये तो भेस बदल के मेरे लिए blessing ही आई है. ये मुझे जो मार रहे हैं लोग, it is blessing for me because I am going to get all the happiness in the next world. So I hope the poem is clear. So in the end, this poem has a sad undertone. Obviously it tells us the uncertainty of life. अगर हमारा आज अच्छा टाइम है, if we are getting attention, it doesn't mean that we will be equally loved by people in future also. तो हमारी लाइफ में uncertainty तो है, but this poem ends on a very positive and optimistic note, and the poet says that whatever we do not get in this world, we will definitely get it in our next life.